Today I'm gonna talk about very important topic. So that is New Year's. Majority people celebrate New Year's. So what's the reason behind of this? And Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, what he said about it, like why celebrate New Year's? First, some few steps, two step I want to tell you. Number one is Sallallahu said 1 year is one more chance degrees from your life. Number two, we're Muslim, we should not celebrate these days, because if we celebrate, so it means like we follow non-Muslim people like Christians, Jews, and other people. And in Islam, Sallallahu didn't celebrate New Year's and his companion. So I'm gonna deliver this message of everybody that is young, old, man, woman, teacher, and student, everyone. Please don't celebrate New Year's. If you will do it, so it means like you follow non-Muslim people, okay, and you're a liar because just you claim